Today, we're going to explore mastering Java variables and data types, a comprehensive guide for beginners. Introduction to Java variables. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamental concepts of Java variables and data types. Understanding these concepts is crucial for any beginner looking to master Java programming. We will cover definitions, types, and practical examples to enhance your learning experience. What are variables? Variables are containers for storing data values. In Java, every variable must be declared before it can be used. This declaration includes the variable's data type, which determines what kind of data can be stored. Understanding variables is essential for effective programming. Java supports various data types which can be categorized into primitive and reference types. Primitive types include int, char, boolean, and double, while reference types refer to objects. Knowing these types helps in choosing the right one for your data needs. Primitive data types. Primitive data types are the most basic types of data in Java. They include byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. Each type has its own size and range, which affects how you store and manipulate data. Reference data types. Reference data types are used to refer to objects. They include arrays, strings, and user-defined objects. Unlike primitive types, reference types do not store the actual data, but rather a reference to the data's memory location, which is crucial for object-oriented programming. Variable scope. The scope of a variable refers to the region of the program where the variable can be accessed. Variables can be local, instance, or static. Understanding variable scope is important to avoid conflicts and ensure proper data management in your applications. When working with variables in Java, follow these best practices. Use meaningful names, adhere to naming conventions, and initialize variables before use. These practices enhance code readability and maintainability, which are vital for professional programming. Conclusion. Mastering Java variables and data types is essential for any aspiring programmer. By understanding these concepts, you will be better equipped to write efficient and effective Java code. Continue practicing and exploring to deepen your knowledge and skills. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video on Java variables and data types helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to Codecraft for more tutorials and coding tips. Your support helps me create more valuable content. Have questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below. Thanks again, and happy coding.